Welcome students. Now today we will discuss insertion sort, the algorithm of insertion sort. Insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works similar to the way you sort playing cards in your hands. The array is virtually split into a sorted and an unsorted part. Values from the unsorted part are picked and placed at the correct position in the sorted part. The characteristic of insertion sort. This algorithm is one of the simplest algorithm with simple implementation. Basically, insertion sort is efficient for small data values. Insertion sort is adaptive in nature, that is, it is appropriate of data sets which are already partially sorted. Now algorithm. So the first step is, if the element is the first element, assume that it is already sorted. Return 1. Step 2. Pick the next element and store it separately in the key. Third step. Now compare the key with all elements in the sorted array. Step 4. If the element in the sorted array is smaller than the current element, then move to the next element, else shift greater elements in the array toward the right. Okay, now step 5. Insert the value, and step 6. Repeat until the array is sorted. Now the question is working of insertion sort algorithm. Maybe it is hard for you, but we have written a very simple method for you how to remember the data. So this is the insertion sort. The algorithm is for I is equal to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus. At first you are taking, assume that key is the first one. Whatever the I, the key is this. Then j is equal to I minus 1, while j is greater than 0. Okay, this will be greater than 0. Okay, but aj is greater than key. Okay, aj is greater than key. Then you have to swap. aj plus 1 is equal to aj, j is equal to j minus 1, and at last aj plus 1 is equal to key. Key is also changing. Okay, now okay, no need to just check it. You have to remember this. If you can remember this graph, then it is very simple to understand it. Here what is going on, you can see actually the loop, I loop is working from at first 1 to n, then 2 to n, 3 to n, 4 to n, 5 to n, 6 to n, 7 to n, 8 to n. Okay, similarly, and this loop direction from here to here, but this loop direction from here to here. Why? See here. At first this loop will work from here to here for all the element. Okay, it will take one key because you have written a1 is equal to key. Okay, the first key is 5, so it will ask key is this. What you have written? You have written aj is greater than key. Okay, aj is greater than key. J means less than I. Okay, so if I is equal to 1, it means that this is key and j is 0. Now it is asking key is less than this. Key is less than this. No, means loop will not work. Means while loop will not work. This loop will not work. We will not come inside. Now next, for I is equal to, similarly for I is equal to 2, key is changing. Now next time key is 1. Okay, again it will ask, this key is less than this. Yes, swapping. Again key is same. Key is less than this also. Yes. So these element will swap. Something you are getting. So this while loop is working from here to here, then it is working from here to here, then it is working from here to here, then it is working from here to here. Means your while loop, it is coming from here to here, because you have written j is equal to j minus 1. J is decreasing but I is increasing. Okay, if you understand this graph, then very easy. So j is working from here to here, then it is finding which one is the smallest. Then again from here to here, which one is the smallest. From here to here, which one is the smallest. From here to here, which one is the smallest. From here to here, which one is the smallest. From here to here, which one is the smallest. Okay, so similarly all the data has been sorted. You can see also in this box the smallest element is 1, you will place here. Now in this box the smallest element is 3, placed here. In this box the smallest element is next 5, okay, you placed here. In this element, in this box the smallest element is 2, so you have to place here. You can see it has come here. Okay, very simple. Now in this box the smallest element 3, in this box the smallest element, okay, it was already come here now. So now in this box the smallest element is 4, you can see. So 4 will come after the 3. Again in this box nothing is here, already the elements are here. Now in this box the smallest element is 7, okay, after then, okay, because these elements are already placed at real position. So from the last position we are asking, the smallest is 7, so 7 will come here, 7 come, it has come here, and next already is there, 9 is already there, elements are sorted. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple. So best is order of n, otherwise order of n square. So this is the time complexity. Now I will show you the program. This is the program. In our all programs the method is same. We never change our method. Okay, so your algorithm is same. This is also same, has include stu.h and math.h. No need to just write here math.h and int array. You are finding size. Then this is the function for printing. Okay, here we are not using swapping because we are shifting the elements. Okay, so here also, sorry, this is your algorithm, only some lines, this is your algorithm. Okay, how it is working we will explain. So this is the main function, nothing is, the program is nothing, this is the main function. I think that you understand. Now I will show you the output. I will show you the output. At first I will compile, then I will show you output. Now you can see the output is this. Okay, the element, before the element is this, now at last elements are sorted. Now I will show you how it is working. This one already done. So let us, the example is 3, 5, 1, 9, 8, 2, 4, 7. Okay, this is your array. A0 is 3, A1 is 5, A2 is 1, A3 is 9, A4 is 8, A5 is 2, A6 is 4, and A7 is equal to 7. So at first I is working from 1 to 7. Okay, at first I is working from 1 to 7 because, 1 minute, because n is 8. Total elements are 8 here. You can see 0 to 7 is equal to 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total elements are 8. So n is equal to 8. But I will work from 1 to 7. Why? Why? This is a question. I will work from 1 to 7 because I is less than n. N is 8. Okay, less than 8 means 7. Okay, so I will work from 1 to 7. Now, when I will work from 1 to 7, okay, when I is equal to 1, when I is equal to 1, what is key? A1 is equal to key. Already we have written A1 is equal to key. So A1 is equal to key means key is equal to 5. Okay, when I is 1, then J is 0. Why J is 0? Because we have written J is equal to I minus 1. We have written J is equal to I minus 1. So when I is 1, then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, J is equal to 0. Okay, so key is equal to A1. Then, so this is for your, we have written this line. You can also remove this line, no need. Here to teaching purpose we are finding the value of ij and key. So now it will ask aj is greater than key, means A1 is greater than key. So A1 is greater than key. It is asking A1. What is A1? A1 is 5. a1 is equal to key, a1 is equal to key, j is equal to 0. So a0 key is 5, 5 is less than 3, 5 is less than 3. No means it will, while loop will not work, means this while loop will not work. Now again I plus plus means I is equal to 2. When I is equal to 2, so a2 is equal to key. You can see a2 is equal to key means key means 1. Now this time key is 1. When I is equal to 2, then j is equal to 1 and key is equal to 1. Why j is equal to 1? Because j is equal to I minus 1. Okay, when I is equal to 2, then j is equal to 1 and key is equal to 1. In this condition, again it will ask key is 1. Key is 1. Key is less than 5. Yes. So it will swap. Okay. Again key same. Key is less than 3. Yes. So again it will swap. So 1 will come here. Okay. 1 will come here. 3 will come here and 5 will come here. Okay. Getting? I think that because these all the elements are shifting. Okay. So this is the way. Similarly for other. So I is equal to 1 done, I is equal to 2 done. Okay, so 3 1 5, you can see that before 3 1 5, now it 1 3 5 has come. Now again for I is equal to 2, I is equal to 2 we have done. I is equal to 3. For I is equal to 3, key is equal to, when I is equal to 3, so 0 1 2 3, this is key now. Okay, this is key. So key is 3, so j is equal to 2. Now again it will ask key is less than 5. No means while loop will not work. Again, now when I is equal to 4, you must write the code in your paper. Okay, then it will be very easy to understand. When I is equal to 4, then key is equal to a4. a4 means 8. 0 1 2 3 4. This is key now. Okay, when this is key, j is equal to I minus 1. What is I? I is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 means this. Okay. Now it is asking 8 is less than 9. Yes. Yes means both will swap. Okay. But 8 is not less than any element. So this loop will work only one time. Okay. So in this condition, for I is equal to 4, it will work only one time. So both will swap. 8 will come here, 9 will come here. So your next array is this. Okay. Now again for I is equal to 5. When I is equal to 5, then key is equal to a5. a5 means 0 1 2 3 4 5, means key is 2. Now key is 2. Again it will ask 2 is less than 9. Yes, 2 is less than 9. So again it will come here, it will come here. Okay. So j is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. The value of j is decreasing. Okay. Yes means the value of j is decreasing. Now j is equal to 3. Similarly for j is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. Then j is equal to 3. Then j is equal to 2. Then j is equal to 1. Means the value of j is decreasing. You can see here in the program, inside this function, we are shifting the elements from aj to aj plus 1. Okay. aj to aj plus 1, and same time the value of j is decreasing. Okay. The value of j is decreasing. At last you are getting the result. Okay, so at last you are getting the result. One by one the elements are shifting. All the elements are shifting. Very easy. Okay, so this is your final result for I is equal to 5. Similarly for I is equal to 6, all the elements are coming one by one. Okay, this is your final answer. So I think that you understand. If you are facing any problem, then you can also write the method. Okay, when I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, key is equal to 5, this is answer. When I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1, key is equal to 1, this is your answer. Similarly for key is equal to 8, key is equal to 5, key is equal to 2, key is equal to 4, key is equal to 7. All the elements are, and at last these elements are sorted. How it is working? You can pause the video, you can write all the steps. Okay, you can understand. If you are facing any problem, then you can ask us. Again I will scroll down. Okay, from here you can write it. Okay, this is your array and the loop. Okay, the I loop, and this is the j loop. Okay, so you must write it. Now you must write it. Okay, pause the video, you must write it. If you are facing any problem, ask us. Very simple. We have written all the steps. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, so we have done everything, how the program is working and what will you write in your exam, what is the shortcut trick, everything we have discussed. Thank you so much.